Not a big deal. I mean, it's just like, it's just my passion. It's just what I love. So the fact that you guys don't like it, not a big deal. Welcome. This is Nighttime Chronicles. I am doing my microdermabrasion facial. I want to be consistent with my skincare, and that's what I'm doing. So I'm going to do a microdermabrasion facial. I am a licensed esthetician. Basically, I could do this. And this is like some little, you know, self-care night. Very well needed. Just to really relax, rejuvenate. And it's something, you know, I want to work on with myself. Get all on the neck. Whatever you do to the face, you do to the neck. I definitely feel like I put on too much. But this is the first cleanse. I just want to make sure that I'm good and ready to go. I don't understand why my voice has not come back. So frustrated because I miss how I used to sound. I feel like I'm going to end up Googling it. And I just went to my doctor for my ear. You know, I was having like that ear infection. And now I'm gonna end up going back again. And this lady's gonna be like, oh my gosh, is she a hypochondriac? I'm just doing my second cleanser again. Whatever you do to the face, do to the neck. I have a cut on my finger and the glycolic cleanser. Not agree with that cut at all. Like my little enzyme here. Really painted all over my face. I really forgot how relaxing this is. This is like literally making me remember why I used to do this weekly. It's like me time. You know, you can't fill from an empty cup. And I'm learning how to break a whole hustle culture. For me, I think what's benefiting me more is living in the present. Because the present is actually what's happening. You know, I'm starting back up my business and I do have a client this weekend, but it's different. It's not like how when I started, when I was like, oh my gosh, I need to have 6-7 clients. No, now I'm going to enjoy the process of working on my business and enjoying wherever life takes me. Been there, done that with the whole hustling, and they can have it. They can keep it. Let me just show you guys. This is what my skin looks like. It is red. So got 2 more minutes before I can rinse this off. But yeah, I turned off the steam. Next is gonna be the microdermabrasion. And guys, listen, I got my braces tightened today for the last time. Fingers crossed, because I've seen all those videos where people like come me to get my braces off, and the dentist is like, no. I was practicing my smile in the mirror because honestly, when my teeth was like super messed up, I would never show my teeth. I lacked that confidence. It's been almost 2 years. It's been a long time. And when I first got my braces, like before that, they were like, we have to remove 4 teeth, which they did. I was so grateful we had to wear masks at that time because I literally looked like a hillbilly. I was so embarrassed, which is honestly what stopped my YouTube journey too. I did not like the way my teeth looked on camera. It's gonna be so amazing. Like, guys, let's make your list. In fact, we'll make one together. We're going to make our 2023 transformation list, our financial goals, body goals, everything, emotional goals. It's gonna be me and you, okay? Always make sure to get the neck, because let me tell you, there is nothing better. Well, there's a lot of stuff that's better, but something that is really sexy is a soft neck. Ooh, baby, I feel high. Ooh, everything's alright with the violet sky on my skin. Ooh, baby, I feel high with the violet sky on my skin. Let me breathe deep, let me get away. There's no place else. My favorite mask. This is from Estemax. I'd rather be. Ooh, everything's alright with a violet sky. A violet sky on my skin. Violet sky, the way. The way. Sometimes all you need is a little self-care. Not saying that can fix everything, but it can help ease it a lot. And that was one of the things too. Last year, I was so focused on being booked and busy. Learn from my mistakes and put yourself first. Ooh, ooh. Can you hear that? It is so satisfying. Oh my gosh. It's like the first time it has done. I was able to take it off like this. for a little bit. I like to layer my skincare, so I like to let it dry. Look. That's how you know it's on. So now it is time to laminate my brows. I was honestly torn between laminating my brows and bleaching them. I love the bleach look. I feel like, especially with my hair, it does complement it. But I want to switch it up because I used to get my brows laminated. Actually, I used to do both. I used to bleach my brows and laminate them. But then I looked up that you can basically fry your brow. Like your brow can completely fall off because I'm over processing it. So I had to stop. Let me give that a break and let me laminate because I do like that laminated look. I'm just brushing them up like so. And that's okay. This is why I like it. Look at the instant facelift. And I'm not going to the gym tomorrow, so that's why I want to do it tonight, because you can't get your brows wet for 24 hours because you're essentially you're perming your brows. Definitely gonna schedule my doctor's appointment because it's been a minute and I want my voice back. So number one, I am going to lift all this out. So let me look in the mirror real quick. I'm doing this right. And while these are going, let me Google why my voice hasn't come back. Because this is traumatizing. Oh my gosh. They say laryngitis. Schedule an appointment. Hey, let's go ahead and take this off. It's been long enough. Goodness, I have not laminated my brows in so long. Wow, 5 minutes. I was talking to this couple yesterday, right? And they were explaining to me a situation with their son and how their son is, you know, right now not really in a good place. He hates his job. He only got the job because his girl got a really good job in another state. So he moved and just like got whatever job he wanted to. And he seems super stressed, super over it, just anxious. Doesn't really seem the relationship going as planned, but kind of feels stuck. You know, he's 26 and they were like, you know, what advice would you give him? If I could give him any advice, do not be afraid to go home when you are feeling overwhelmed, when you're stressed, and you know when something isn't right. Always listen to your gut. Always listen to your gut. It can detect things. Just listen. Usa, sit down and listen. Let your body speak and listen to it. If a situation is not feeling right, the person you're with is not feeling right, you need to address it and never be afraid to go home. Even if it means moving back in with your family, don't put yourself in a situation where you're going to be broke, where you're going to be struggling, especially around this time for the holidays. You know, you look on social media and you see all the beautiful homes, all the extravagant gifts, all the extravagant decorations, and you live in a 1-bedroom apartment. Don't let what that person has deter away from what you have. You're on your path. You're on your life path right now. And that's how I had to look at it too. When I was in my little hustling for my business, even on my YouTube journey, I have millions of followers, I have thousands of followers. That's where I want to be. But then, you know, while I'm sitting there beating myself up because I'm not at that point yet, they've been doing YouTube 7+ years. I haven't even been doing YouTube for a year. Everything comes in time. I was in that mindset where I would look on social media and I would see certain things or see certain people. I'm like, you know, when is it my turn? When is my opportunity? When are my blessings coming in? I fail to realize that this is my blessing. I am alive. I am here. I have a family that's crazy as hell, but I would not change anything about them. Oh, I was supposed to bit things off. I don't want to over process my brows. Listen, I really hope this turned out good because this is not coming off. Hold on. I don't want to say I'm gonna cry, but I don't know how I feel about this. I feel like I just need time to process it. So maybe I'm gonna sleep and then wake up tomorrow. I don't know. go to bed. I'm going to knock out, and I will see you guys tomorrow.
Good morning. Welcome to day 2. Today is a beautiful day. Let me give you guys a rundown of what today is going to consist of. I'm going to get gas right now. Then I'm going to pick up my medication because you guys remember when I told you guys, I was like, hey, my voice hasn't changed and it's been over 3 weeks. And that's scary because I'm like, what's going on? Why is my voice so hoarse? Like I miss the sound of my voice. Are we gonna go or are we going to chill? Thank you. So I had my doctor's appointment this morning at 8:30. She gave me the antibiotics for laryngitis. That's what I'm gonna go pick up from Walgreens. It's like a trip down memory lane of what I used to sound. It's what I miss.
And all of that is always going to Target.
I'm about to be super extra right now on Dreadful.
At least my version of the 90s.
I miss hearing this. I am heading to pick up medication. Then I'm going to go to Ulta because I have a client for tomorrow. And I want to pick up some stuff. I want to pick up a setting spray and I want to pick up a liquid highlight. So if you have the app, they have the 20% off. Can you move? I almost hit this bird. Not today, nature. All these pumps are taken. And I feel kind of embarrassed because I had to do like a little zigzag and I feel like everybody's judging me, so I'm gonna go to another gas station. Does anyone ever do this? My naturalista ladies, listen, do any of my naturalista ladies do this? Like you leave the house with your deep conditioner in your hair because you want to set all, like, you know, get the most out of it, but your hair is wet, so I literally have to bring a washcloth and just occasionally. I did not even know today was Britney Spears' birthday. We are going to is Ulta. It's so crazy. I met this really, really, really nice lady there. She was so sweet. All right, so she was there. Her name is Diamond. She is so sweet, so nice. She's doing the whole like social media, skincare, everything. I told her I'm more for vlogging and travel because let me tell you guys, when I was doing my makeup videos, they get like maximum I think 22 views, but when I do my travel and regular vlogs, those get more views. Y'all really loving the vlogging and everyday stuff. It's not the makeup, it's not a big deal. I mean, it's just my passion, it's just what I love, so the fact that you guys don't like it, not a big deal.
So I'm back home and now I'm going to pack for my client tomorrow. I'm going to pack my makeup kit. So I have my liquid blush, Rare Beauty, plus I have Danessa Myricks. I have all my lip products here. I have a lot of choices because the client, it's for a Christmas card photo shoot. She has never done nude lips before. She's always doing like a bold red. So I have some nude colors. I have some pink and I have some red. Right here we have some matte foundation in different, I have a bunch of different colors. The lighting is horrible, I know, but I have a bunch of different colors from Morphe. Again, I don't know what the client's skin type is. I didn't ask her. I'm gonna find out when I get there anyway. I just like to have some choices. So I have matte, I have the Juvia's Place foundation sticks, I have my lash curler, my Dior blush, my, you know, for my lipstick and my lip gloss. I have some SPF because the photo shoot is going to be outside and the esthetician in me needs to protect my client's skin. I have my setting spray, I have my powders, my loose powders, and then I have over here my concealers. A little bit of She Glam. This here. I want a super bright, I'm experimenting with the super bright under eye. I'm going to go ahead and let that sit for a little bit to build up coverage. It is so pretty. I am going to go put on my earrings. I'm going to finish my coffee, wash off my makeup, and then I am heading out. I will meet you in the car.
Oh my gosh, I am so embarrassed. Oh my gosh. So I just went to go put my phone. I went to go put my phone in the little, you know, the little holder for the car. I went to the house to go make sure I have everything, pack up everything. I have my light, I have, you know, I'm ready to go. Tell me why. I come back, my phone is on a call with 911 for 8 minutes. minutes. Officers have been dispatched for what? Why have they been dispatched for what? One, I'm like, that's isn't that jail time? Like making a false 911 call, that's prison. I am here. Their house is so nice. Oh my goodness, beautiful home. So let me go get in, introduce myself, and get set up. I'm finished. Oh my goodness, the makeup is stunning. That was a makeup artist dream client, a dream client. Like, oh my goodness, her personality was literally, her looks matched her personality. Beautiful inside out. Please, Lord, I'm praying to you, give me clients just like her. I forgot to take the before pictures, so all I have is the after video and the after pictures. It came out so good. Now I'm about to go for dinner.
You think anything coming there?
There one cup, but don't just go. We are heading to light up Altamont. I'm super excited. This is Vlogmas Day 2.
Hey guys, my name is Julia Set. I know you're used to me making a cameo.